In this video, we will learn how to hide pivot table data in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have here some huge data. So I'm going to insert first pivot table in Excel sheet. First select the full data, Ctrl plus A. Then go to the insert tab, click on the pivot table option, click on the from table. Here range is automatically selected. Then click on the new worksheet and click on OK. In the right hand side you see the pivot table fields. You can just drag it and fill where you want. So I just drag the product ID in rows and profit in values, order date in column, and ship date in filter. So this is a way I create here the pivot table. This is a product ID. If I don't want this two product ID, I don't want to show others these two product ID, so I'm going to hide this. Just select the product ID, right click of the mouse, click on the filter option. Here you see option hide selected item. When I click the hide selected item, full row is hide. Again I select the product ID, right click of the mouse, click on the filter option and click on the hide selected item. And if you want to uh, keep the 1 and 2 product ID and other data want to hide it, you can do it. Suppose I want to only keep this 4 ID, I just hide. I just fill the color here and right click of the mouse and go to the filter. I want to keep only selected item and other data I want to hide it. Just click on the keep only selected item, the other data it's filter. Here you see the filter option is automatically show here. It means all data filter when you hide and keep the data. So this is a way you can hide data and keep the data those you want in pivot table. So hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.